are going to do it.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have been seeing many videos of people making this thing called Chicharron. So today I'm gonna make it. We have been looking for those pork bellies for so long. We can't find them literally anywhere. Literally.
So
But
it
then
will
we
be
found
fun.
them. So today we're making chicharron, which this girl over here is so excited to make.
My lady is over here. Lady is over here.
I'm your
My
lady.
lady is over here.
I'm your lady.
Yeah.
Okay.
So sugar.
This is sugar, this is salt. Can you say salt?
The sugar.
And some pepper.
Some pepperoni.
This pepper that is not grounded. And some bay leaves. Then we got the meat, what was it called again? A pork belly. It's good. We're going to first boil the meat. The bay leaves. We'll grind pepper. That looks so good. Some salt. Now we are going to boil it. Now let's make the guac. We are going to need avocados, 2 avocados, 1 lemon. We are also going to need 2 onions, 3 tomatoes, 1 bunch of cilantro, and some salt. So we're going to start by cutting the avocado. Then we're going to use a spoon to place. We're gonna use a fork and place the avocados into the bowl. So we have mashed the guacamole. So now we are going to put in this salt, onion, tomato, cilantro, lemon. It's mixing time. Now we are going to remove them and dry them.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please.
How is it?
Good.
It's good. Let me have my. Gotta get the guac. It has a very amazing crunch. So guys, warning, before you deep fry them, dry them, because if you put it when it has water, it will the oil will start coming up, blowing up, stuff like that, and it will hurt you seriously.